hard to drive, and roads made to run. Held onto the wheel, white knuckles revealed. My father beside, come till I decide to swerve for a ditch so I don't hit the car coming our way. It's difficult to seem dismayed. We were both okay, no scratch, no pain, no crash, no blame. But I still think about